And I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Akers, the days of catch and release, done. You have taken off on me 3 different times, Mr. Osborne. If you think that we are going to give you a PR bond, you are charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail. You had an offer in this case where they were going to dismiss this case, and you have repeatedly taken off, not once, not twice, but thrice. I am not going to give you a PR bond, and we are taking you into custody now. Your bond is now set at $10,003 because of all the times that you have taken off. And I get that you're in high school, but the problem is that you have already taken off 3 times. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? What? It tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing and not to hold you accountable. And that's not what we do here. You need to understand that courts are here for a reason. We do court orders for a reason. And when you fail to comply, when you fail to show, there are real world consequences. And I don't know if you have anyone that's going to bond you out. If not, you will be stuck like Chuck with me until this thing is over. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not into this pleading guilty, time served just to get out, just to ruin your life. I'm not going to let you do that.
We accepted the PTI. The states said they would still accept the PTI.
I get it, but I'm not letting him out.
Actually,
I mean, it's 3 times the case. How old is this case? It's a year old, and
you set your bond at 10,000, so you need to post 1,000 worth of bond.
well, I don't know, because whatever they're going to charge you, I don't know. You're a flight risk. They may charge you more.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
I don't recall leaving 3 times.
You have a criminal case. You know that you are supposed to keep up with it. There's no out of sight, out of mind. You should have enough wherewithal to say, you know what? I haven't had court.
Oh, you don't do it for yourself. This ain't the place where you ask questions, okay? All right.
You should have enough wherewithal to know, you know what? I have court and I haven't heard in a long time. What's going on? The only reason you are here now is because what happened?
Bonding company's attempting to get the case reinstated and or a new bond set for them. That's it. We wanted to let the court know it was our fault for not notifying him of the May setting.
All of the sort. It's not your
I
fault.
do understand. Yes.
You know, if it was one time, okay, but we have 3 different times. It's unacceptable. Okay.
If I may.
Sure.
He did miss court 3 times, but he missed the first one because I couldn't reach him because the phone number I had was disconnected. I reset it 2 more times to try to get in contact with him. So he didn't purposely miss 3 court dates just because I couldn't. The phone number I had for him.
He knows he has court, Mr. Schofield.
I understand.
You know, behavior has consequences, and now you're going to see that there are serious consequences to it. He goes with you. Guys, I'm not out for blood, but I want him to understand that we mean business. If he is unable to make a bond by tomorrow, then we can talk, and I'm happy to entertain perhaps something tomorrow. I get it that he's in high school, but I want him to understand that we mean business. And if I just let him go now.
You have taken off on me 3 different times. Not once, not twice, 3 times, and he still wanted a PR bond like nothing happened. That's the audacity this judge is dealing with before she's even finished her coffee. And watch how fast the tone shifts. She's not negotiating. She's not asking. She's stating consequences as fact. Bond set at $10,300 into custody today. No more chances to forget a court date. What gets me is the line about enabling. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? It tells you it's okay to do what you're doing. That's not a judge being harsh for the sake of it. That's a judge naming the exact mechanism of how repeat offenders learn they can keep getting away with it. Then his attorney steps in, trying to explain the missed dates as a disconnected phone number, not defiance. Maybe that's true for the first miss. But 3 times. At some point excuses stop mattering and patterns start speaking for themselves. He's a teenager facing real custody, real consequences, and a judge who point-blank refuses to let him plead guilty just to escape today. Is that protection or punishment? Comment your take below.
It's enabling him, and it's not a good thing. But I'm happy perhaps tomorrow, if he's unable to make bond, we can talk about a PR bond tomorrow.
Should we just set it for review for tomorrow?
He's going to come back tomorrow regardless because they'll auto-populate.
Okay.
Because that's what happens when we take someone into custody, they auto-populate for the next day. So we can talk about it tomorrow about, because I'm not going to let him plead guilty just to get out and just to get a conviction on his record. And I'm happy to do this, but I want him to understand that we mean business and we're not playing games. So if he's still here tomorrow, we can talk about doing a PR bond and we'll let him try that. But I'm going to tell you now, he gets an ankle monitor, curfew, and I'm going to drug test him. And I'm going to be his dad. That's it. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Vidales.
Morning.
You know, believe it or not, we want to help you, but we need to have you evaluated. And every time we try to do that, you don't let them do it. The quicker way to get out is just talk to them. Let us know what's going on. And once that happens, we can work to try to get you released.
Man, I got my plans. I got like 1,000 deals going out of the free world. I got about 10,000 deals.
And I
going
want to
out.
help you get to those deals, but can you help us with do the report?
I already did the report.
They said you wouldn't talk to them.
I did talk to them. They were asking me stupid Y98 questions, all types of stupid questions. I got 8 apartments. I got 8 bandos. I got 10,000 deals going on. I got all types of. I'm leaving Broadway. I'm not going back to no Broadway. I'm going to Honduras. I'm going to El Salvador. I'm going to Tokyo. Fuck Houston. I'm not staying in Houston. Houston is bullshit to me.
Well, Houston's great. It's
Houston
hot.
is bullshit to me.
Why?
It's always been bullshit.
And I love my town. It's just too hot. But other
I'm
than
leaving
that,
it.
great.
So can you please just let me go?
If you talk to my,
I already talked to them. I did talk to them.
they told me you started acting up, then they couldn't talk to you because
Started
you,
asking me stupid. I'm gonna scare them back up again. I'm gonna scare them back again. I'm gonna tell them stop asking me stupid questions.
I mean, we're not gonna do anything until you talk to them.
That's a
people.
misdemeanor. That's a misdemeanor. Misdemeanor is 24 hours in jail. That's a ticket and a warrant.
How long you been in jail?
I've been in jail for 4 months. My charges are for 2
Was it
weeks.
24 hours?
My charges are for 2 weeks in jail. Walgreens got their own policy.
Look, I want to help you out.
Walgreens got their own policy.
Talk to
If
them.
I steal $5 from Walgreens, that's ticket and a warrant.
Mr. Valdez, quit interrupting the judge. Listen to what he
Talk,
has
if
to
you
say.
talk to them.
Talk to who? Right now?
The
The doctor.
doctors that come to see you.
I'm starving at this point. I'm starving. I eat $150 a week. I'm only ordering 1 bag of coffee. I'm starving. You got me sitting down looking like an idiot, starving.
Look, no one's looking at you like that.
I'm the one who's starving at this point. I could eat 10 chicken soups and 10 bags of chips, cheese, and then a whole bunch of coffee and chips and sodas and then water. I'm starving at this point. I'm starving. You got me sitting like an idiot, starving.
If I get you the food, will you talk to the people?
Right now,
Well, it's going to take a bit of time.
you're going to give me reset it again.
If you talk to them, we'll work to get you out. But be
I'm not going
nice.
to talk to them. I'm refusing. I'm refusing.
And I'm going to set your case for trial then. We'll go to trial. If you're found guilty, then we'll just do the DDRP.
For what? For a misdemeanor?
You keep picking
I'm
up.
not going to even take it to trial.
I'm going to put it to trial.
This next case is a completely different kind of chaos. Mr. Vidales isn't fighting the system with excuses. He's fighting it with sheer refusal to engage. I got 10,000 deals going on. I'm starving. I'm not going back to Houston. None of it has anything to do with the one thing the judge actually needs, a mental health evaluation. Listen to how patient the judge stays through all of it. He's not yelling back. He's not mocking. He just keeps steering, "Can you help us with the report?" While Vidales spirals into Honduras, El Salvador, Tokyo, and a list of imaginary apartments. That contrast is what makes this clip so unsettling to watch. And then it turns serious fast. "I'm going to set your case for trial." Vidales calls the bluff, put it to trial then, completely unaware of what that actually means for him. This isn't defiance born of confidence. It's someone who genuinely doesn't understand the weight of the room he's standing in. This is exactly why courts order evaluations in the first place, and exactly why some people fight so hard against the one thing that could actually help them. What did you make of this exchange? Let us know below.
How are you going to put a misdemeanor to trial?
Three cases, and we can do one after the other. And if you're found guilty, at that point, we'll just.
I'm gonna drop off there. I'm gonna drop off there. I'm gonna act a fool. You can punch me down and put me back in.
Come on.
Come on, Mr. Vidales. Let's talk about it. Come on. All right.
What are you doing with yourself these days?
Looking for a job, but they don't want to hire me, but not really.
Tell me, what have you done to look for a job?
What have I done?
Yes.
I went to the internet. I told my sister to go through the stuff. They only hire pipe fitters.
Why you tell your sister to do it?
But I'm really not good at that.
I don't think he really understands.
You need to learn how to use a computer.
They told me, and then I went to a friend of mine. Well, she's not really my friend, but she told me she could try to help me out. Cooking wings. That was my last resort. Wingstop.
Go there and ask them for an application and apply. Why haven't you done that? We've set this case off for 3 different times now. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day? If I drug test you now, what's going to show up?
I came out clean already, sir.
I'm sending you right now. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, Mr. Gallindo. I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. If you fail to go take a drug test, you take off from me. I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand? Take a seat. How's jail? Well, when you don't take off, what happens? We're not asking for much. All we want you to do is show up. And
Judge, wait, can I speak?
No,
no, don't.
I got you.
I showed up.
She showed up, Judge. It's a new case that brought her back. It was a new case filing for.
Oh, she picked up a robbery.
Yeah,
That's right.
and that's what we said.
Okay, my fault, my
You're
fault.
good. She has shown up, and her bonds are posted. So as soon as she goes back,
I don't know if this is better.
no, it's not. But
Picked up a robbery.
No, but
Don't say no. Look,
I got you.
look, Ms. Visor, just be nice. It's not hard. That's all we're asking. If you pick up any new cases, holy moly, I'm gonna lose it. Don't pick up any new cases. You've made bond again now. The only thing I'm asking you to do, don't go to any Target and don't go back to Memorial City Mall. I am making that a condition of your bond. Do you understand? If you go back to one of these two places, the bond goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay? That's all I'm asking. And be nice. You have a lawyer. Stay in contact with a lawyer. They will tell you when you have to come back to court. If they tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're taking off, no more bonds. I'm going to revoke it and I'm going to raise it up. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. You're on the robbery case as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can give you the same date as that robbery case as well.
That's simple.
And then,
I got it.
yeah, this case isn't too old. So, okay, ma'am.
And her bonds are posted. She's getting cut out as soon as she gets back. So
Okay. All right, Ms. Visor, good luck.
thank you, Judge.
All right. But wait, Deputy Anderson, she needs to sign. Okay. Brandon, you ready? Okay. Doug, you know, Mr. Akers, I was going to give you the benefit of the doubt as far as meth. Shh. Hey, we need to talk. As far as meth, cocaine, amphetamines, ecstasy, THC, I was going to give you the benefit of the doubt on all that.
3 case resets and still nothing. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day? That question should hang in the air for you the way it clearly hung in that courtroom. No job applications, no real effort. Just I told my sister to do it, passing off his own responsibility to someone else entirely. The judge doesn't even hide her concern anymore. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, straight into a drug test, no hesitation. That's not procedure for the sake of procedure. That's a judge watching someone unravel in real time and refusing to look away from it. Then the energy flips completely with the next case. A woman who actually showed up, actually stayed in contact until she picked up a brand new robbery charge. The judge's reaction says it all. Holy moly, I'm going to lose it. Even with bond conditions banning her from 2 specific locations, the leniency here is staggering compared to everyone else in this docket. 2 people, 2 completely different relationships with accountability, sitting in the same courtroom on the same morning. Which case worries you more? Drop it in the comments.
Because I know, because you tested positive just a couple days ago, that you were probably going to test positive today again. But alcohol is a different story. That doesn't stay in your system 2 days, 3 days. No. And I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Akers, the days of catch and release, done. Guess what happens now?
Thank you, Your Honor.
So I think that at this stage in the game, because we've had so many issues with Mr. Akers, I think probably a TRAS is what we need to do to figure out how we go forward here.
Yes, sir.
But I think that I'm going to do, Mr. Akers, I'm going to do everything in my power to help you. I know that you're not going to like it, and I know that you're going to go kicking and screaming, but I'm going to tell you now, that's it. It's done. And I'm not going to take anything because I want you to get the help that you need. You understand?
And here it is, the line this entire video has been building toward. Mr. Akers tested positive days ago. Meth, cocaine, amphetamines, ecstasy, THC. The judge says she was ready to give him the benefit of the doubt on all of it. Let that sink in. Benefit of the doubt after a positive test, multiple substances deep. But alcohol is what breaks the pattern. Why? Because, as the judge points out, alcohol doesn't sit in your system for 2 or 3 days like the rest. If it shows up, it means it happened recently, no excuses, no timeline confusion. That's the detail that finally ends the leniency. The days of catch and release. Done. 4 words that reframe everything you just watched across this entire docket. Every reset, every second chance, every we'll talk about it tomorrow. All of it leading to a judge drawing a hard line and meaning it. She even says she's doing it to help him, not punish him, fully expecting him to go kicking and screaming. Is that compassion wrapped in consequence or consequence dressed up as compassion? You decide.
Okay, goes with you.
And then also,
There's nothing, no justification you can get.
4 cases, 4 completely different people. 1 identical pattern, chance after chance, met with excuse after excuse, until a judge finally had enough and said it out loud. The days of catch and release are done. What struck me watching this back-to-back isn't just the consequences themselves. It's how long these judges actually waited before delivering them. 3 missed court dates, 3 case resets, a positive drug test days earlier already excused. These aren't judges looking for reasons to punish people. They're judges running out of reasons not to. That tension between giving someone one more shot and finally protecting the integrity of the system is exactly what this channel exists to show you. Unfiltered, uncut. No narrator telling you who's right, just the real moments and the real consequences, so you can decide for yourself. So tell us, out of everyone in this docket, who do you think deserved another chance? And who do you think it was long overdue to take away? Drop your perspective in the comments because this conversation only gets better with you in it. And if these real courtroom moments hit different than the scripted stuff, subscribe. There's a lot more of this docket still to come.